Superior quality fit. Dependable Direct offers high-quality aftermarket replacement parts at an affordable price. Our tail lights conform to the original equipment, OE, standards to ensure they operate and fit just like the original. Ensure correct fitment. This tail light is a left driver side tail lamp lens housing and does not include bulbs. This is not a universal tail light, so it's very important to make sure this lamp will fit your vehicle. Check the part reference numbers to make sure they match the part you need. In addition, visually compare the part you are replacing with the images of this tail light. Partslink OE reference. This Dodge Ram tail lamp is a replacement for Partslink number CH2819124 and OE number 552777414A. Does not fit. This Dodge tail lamp is not compatible on models that originally came with LED tail lamps. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent value. Saved $100 with this purchase. Well made and easy installation. I recommend this item.